Hello there, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Let's have a look what's going on today. So what I've identified is an opportunity in the in NZD USD. Let's just have a look at it in some more detail. Where's it best seen? So we're talking about harmonic patterns here. We've identified a harmonic pattern in NZD USD. Let's just try and see it on the best time frame. So this stuff is really easy once you can pad out exactly where you need to be. So let me just delete some of this stuff so it's easier on the eye. So with harmonic patterns, the easiest thing to think about is a lightning bolt, simply a lightning bolt. You just need to look at some of the previous videos I've posted. When I say a lightning bolt, look, you know, it's just a series of higher highs and higher lows. However, you need to zoom out, like the magic eye used to look at in the 90s, those magic eye diagrams. So, because of my experience, I know that that length is AB. If I chose this length AB, then this low would have taken it out. So this is the low, and this is the high. Excuse me. Bear with me 1 second. Let me just mark this up. AB. So AB, the rule is simple. 60% of the time, AB equals CD. Now, those stats are pretty decent on their own, probability-wise. If we copy that and move it to here, I mean, I'm not joking around when that is what happens. I haven't done anything complicated. I mean, my daughter could do this. She's 6. This is just not hard stuff, guys. This is the power of harmonics. Understanding that that has exactly hit that. And if anyone's trying to deny it, then they are deluded themselves. For extra confirmation, let's just add in more harmonics. Hopefully your eyes will adjust to what I'm looking for here. So you can see on this particular red harmonic, if anything, it would take the top. So we're sort of getting a downside potential projection, you know, if the main pattern fails. Why is that not working? Delete that. Copy this. So again, we could come down to here, 0.60748, which is still got a lot of tolerance and a lot of confluence. Now let's go through. So that's another ABCD pattern completing here, where we've started to move already. So you can't actually tell at the time which one's going to work. You just got to understand managing your risk. So we know that D completes here. If we zoom out a little bit, we know that there's a previous anchor down here. It's easily seen for you know. It's very easy enough. Let me just delete these. Okay, so this is the anchor. So every harmonic pattern, in particular the Gartley pattern, has an ABCD structure in it. Now this actually isn't a Gartley, because Gartley, you have to have the B retracement at 61.8% of XA. And we don't have that. So this is point X because it's a clear and obvious anchor. Now let me just add the butterfly wings, or the characteristics to it that people associate with Gartley patterns. So it's a very visual way of trading. Is pattern recognition trading. Recognize these patterns, make money. Let me just have a look what this has moved away in pip terms already. So if you took the completion point here at D, you'd have had your 15 pips already, 16 pips. Choose to go break even, hang in there for more. We just demonstrate where this D point lies. It should be at the 61.8% retracement. And that's exactly where we are, albeit untested, and albeit we might come down and hit it. But you get an idea of how this works out. So we've got the point B coming in at 50%, point D coming out at the 61.8%. Then if we look at the inverse here, of BUC, we can see we've got a 127% holding price at the minute. This looks really good. If this is a continuation trade higher, then we can certainly see the larger context ABCD here. However, looking at the overall cycle analysis of this particular one, it's unclear whether we're making a double bottom. I would assume potentially this could continue to sell off after we've tested the high again on the back of this gardening. So I hope this video makes sense, and wish you all the best. Thank you.